My name's Catalano, and I'm the Ag Program Coordinator at CCE Madison. I'm also the Master Gardener Volunteer Coordinator, and I help with the Seed to Supper program. And today we're going to talk about what's in your toolbox. So why do I have a pencil in my toolbox? Well, I use the pencil to write on this. This is a piece of a vinyl blind, like what you would use on your windows. Vinyl blinds often break and people throw them out at the roadside. And when they do that, scoop them up because you'll have plant tags for a very, very long time because you only need a little piece of it to mark your plants. So if you use pencil on a vinyl blind, it makes an excellent plant marker. They last for a very, very long time, but Sharpies and markers will actually fade. So use pencil on those. And then I have what's called a grafting knife. This knife has a very sharp blade, and it's a certain shape to allow for you to make the right angled cuts on woody plants like apples. So if you want to graft an apple tree or something like that, it's the right kind of knife for that. I also have something that's a little strange. I have golf tees. Now golf tees are very useful. I use them because if I have to go use the bathroom while I'm in the middle of sowing seeds, I can take these bright white golf tees and put it right where I stopped sowing the seed. They're very easy to see. I don't have to try and find where I sowed the last seed in a row. You can also attach some string to the base of the tee and make a nice straight row if you tie string to 2 tees. I also have a tape measure, a nice beaten up one, and if you've got to measure 6 inches between holes if you're sowing seed or planting transplants, you've got to have something to measure with usually, and tape measures are nice and compact. I also have a tape dispenser. When you open up seed packets, I have found that if I don't close them up right away, I end up spilling the contents all over the place, and that's no good. So as you can tell, everyday things can be turned into fantastic tools at the garden and on your farm. And this was my toolbox. What's in yours? If you have any gardening questions, feel free to call CCE Madison or visit us online.